This is solving right triangles lesson. What is meant by solving a right triangle? If we look at this first example, it means to find all of the missing parts. So the first thing you want to do is draw a triangle if it's not already there. Taking note that it says angle C is the 90-degree angle. Side A is going to be opposite angle A. So side A is 7. Side B is 9. So what do we need to find? We need to find, excuse me, angle A. We need to find angle B and side C. Well, side C you could find by Pythagorean theorem if you wanted to. 9 squared plus 7 squared equals C squared. Take the square root of 130 and you get 11.4. And then to find, let's change colors here, angle A, we have opposite and adjacent, so that's tangent function, and you have to use the inverse tangent, opposite over adjacent. And we get 37.9. To find angle B, you could use the same numbers in the inverse. Or you might realize that angle B also just equals 90 minus angle A. So there's no one distinct way to do solving a right triangle. You could have decided to use what you found with side C and used one of your other trig functions. So I'm going to do one more, and then you can try the other two. I'll put answers on the video so that you can see them. Angle C is the 90. Side A is 6. Side B is 5. Okay, so we can find C. Square root is 61. And then to find angle A, opposite over adjacent. And to find angle B, very easily you can just subtract from 90. And that's how you solve a right triangle. Let's look at one with an angle and a side. C is the 90-degree angle. A is 42, and side B is 20. Remember, your sides are opposite the angle. So the first thing I'm going to do is find angle B. Angle B is just going to be 90 minus 42. I'm going to try to find side A. Okay, I'm going to use my given 42. This is opposite and adjacent. Opposite and adjacent is tangent. So the tangent of 42 equals side A over 20. It's in the numerator. And to find side C, you can just use Pythagorean theorem if you want. 18 squared plus 20 squared equals C squared. You certainly could use trig functions if you want also. Take the square root. And C equals 26.9. The last one, draw B is 56, side B is 67. So we need to find C, A, and angle A. Always have three things to find in solving a right triangle. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is find angle A. Then I'm going to find side A. Using angle B. Opposite, adjacent. A just happens to be adjacent. So we have opposite and adjacent is tangent. 56 equals opposite over adjacent. It's in the denominator. So we divide. And to find side C, I think I'm going to use a trig function. I'm going to use opposite over height. That's right in this dark blue. So in order to find side C, opposite and height is sine. Again, I'm dividing. .8. And that's it for solving a right triangle.